We're at Kahului Heliport at the airport with CEO of Blue Hawaiian Helicopters, Dave Chevalier. Dave, where are we going on today's tour?
So we're going on a Hana and Haleakala flight. We're flying up to Haleakala Crater, beautiful national park, the cinder cones. From there we'll descend down to the rainforest, see hundreds and hundreds of waterfalls, Hana. This is the largest rainforest in the United States. We'll pass the Oheo Gulch, which commonly referred to as the Seven Pools area. It's actually part of Haleakala National Park, but there's beautiful waterfalls there as well. The Waihoi Valley, we'll see some of the most beautiful streams along the rainforest. And back to the heliport. All ready?
I am so ready.
Let's go.
Tomorrow, a helicopter tour they call the Maui Spectacular.